All right, welcome back to Smart Money Monday. For most people, their home is their most valuable asset. And with a home equity line of credit, or HELOC, you can get even more out of it. Kristen Konishi from Bank of Hawaii joins us now. Aloha, Kristen.
Aloha, Steve.
So, Kristen, for those who don't know, what is a HELOC?
A HELOC is a home equity line of credit, which allows you to borrow against the equity in your home.
What are some of the main reasons to get one?
Usually when people take out a HELOC, it's for important things like home renovations, consolidating high interest debt at a lower rate, or paying for tuition.
How does it work?
So HELOCs are a secure line of credit that you're going to apply for with your financial institution. So similar to other types of loans and lines that you apply for. However, because a HELOC uses your home as collateral to secure the loan, the interest rates on a HELOC are going to be lower than unsecured personal loans or credit cards.
How much can you borrow with this, Kristen?
Well, it'll all depend, Steve. So with a HELOC, as an example, you may be able to access about 85% of your home's value minus whatever you already owe. So if your house is worth $500,000, 85% of your home's value is $425,000. And then if you owe $250,000 in the mortgage, that means you could borrow up to $175,000.
Do you get the money in one lump sum?
No. So unlike a loan, a HELOC is actually a line of credit. It's going to work more like a credit card in which you use the credit available to you as you need it. So similar to a credit card, as you pay off the principal, that amount becomes available to you again during your draw period.
And you only pay interest on the amount of credit that you're using.
Exactly. So unlike a loan where you'd pay interest on the entire amount, you're only going to be charged interest on the portion of the line that you use. So because of this, HELOCs are actually a really great option for large projects or expenses that may not have a set cost or that you'll be making purchases on for over a period of time.
Ah, interesting. Mahalo, Kristen.
Yeah, thank you, Steve. Mahalo. So to learn more about HELOCs, visit boh.com/smartmoney.